A very warm welcome from the Coolise headquarters, where we will host today's online session about the Coolise contract solutions. My name is Laura, I work as a business developer at the marketing department and I will be your host. Our textile engineer Eva Jongejan will join us later on. She will explain a little bit more about the technical side of our contract offering, focusing on topics like visual, thermal and acoustic comfort. Later on, we will explain how we can help you during the specification process, and we will highlight several reference cases that can be seen as best practices in the global contract market. Before we are looking into specific topics, let's look at the bigger picture. Our world is changing, and modern design requires modern solutions. This extends to building design as well. Given the amount of time we spend indoors, window coverings can help create a better and healthier indoor climate that contribute to our well-being. Also, sustainability plays an important role. More and more sustainable materials are used to create zero-energy architecture. We believe that beauty and functionality are seamlessly united. It's more than just about style. They allow for perfect temperature control and natural light management. The right choice of window coverings adds comfort, improves productivity, creates a sense of serenity, and boosts creativity at the workplace. To explain the concept, let's have a look at our contract video.
Welcome to the world of Coolise window coverings. An exciting world in which beauty and functionality come together. Inspired by nature, design, fashion, architecture and technology. A world that challenges our imagination about what else window coverings can be. That stimulates well-being, productivity, comfort, convenience and energy savings. Created through a seamless concept of fabrics, systems and motorization that aims at being good for people, the planet and the environment. Discover Coolise Contract. Be inspired.
The contract offering is based on a total solution, combining high-performance fabrics, advanced system technology, and our groundbreaking automation concept, Motion. It's all about providing solutions to improve visual, thermal, and acoustic comfort. Ideally, you want to combine optimal thermal comfort while maintaining view-through. What type of window covering solution suits which situation? I think we need our expert. Eva, welcome. As a textile engineer, you give advice what type of solutions are suitable for different projects to meet various specifications and preferences. Which aspects do you always take into consideration?
Well, we look at the type of material, the openness factor, visual and thermal comfort of our fabrics. Let me start by explaining a little bit more about visual comfort, because visual light influences your day-to-day life a lot. Visual discomfort can affect day-to-day task performance and can lead in the end to eye strain and headaches.
How can you prevent that?
You can prevent this by using the optimal window covering solution, which will maximize the incoming daylighting while minimizing the energy used throughout the building.
I experienced several times when I squeeze my eyes when unwanted light is entering the surface.
Yeah, that's a common problem which we call glare. Glare control is filtering unwanted incoming light while maximizing the view-through to the outside world. We have some interesting numbers about glare control. For instance, employees are 18% more productive under good daylight circumstances, and students can learn 20 to 26% faster in good daylight.
And I can imagine the importance of view-through because it lets you interact with the outside world.
Most definitely, view-through adds a sense of comfort and increases productivity. Research showed that your mental function and your mental memory can be increased 10 to 25% by good view-through.
Besides view-through and glare control, I reckon that daylighting has a positive effect on our visual comfort.
Yes, nowadays we spend most of our days inside and we don't get nearly enough daylight. This can result in fatigue, loss of productivity and even sleeplessness.
Even sleeplessness, Eva?
Yes, daylight is crucial to our sleep-wake cycle. Lack of exposure to daylighting can interfere with your biological clock. And in the end, good daylighting throughout the day can give you more than 46 minutes of extra sleep. Next to good daylighting, you also have energy savings. Since modern sustainable buildings have a lot of glass surfaces which can contribute to a lot of heat and gain loss, energy savings become more and more important. This is our portable lab, which is our tool to show you our differences in our high-performance fabrics, comparing glare and either heat or loss reduction. Note, this is a simulation, but let me demonstrate. We have the Screen Essential here and our lamp that generates a lot of heat, so our Screen Essential in the black color will get a lot of warmth exposure. If we measure this with our thermometer, you can see it's 61 degrees Celsius. But if we swap this for another fabric, for instance our Screen Satinate, then you will get a lot of different results, because our Screen Satinate has a black front and a white background. Let's have a look at the temperature of our Screen Satinate. It's only 41 degrees, while the Screen Essential in black was 61 degrees, which is a temperature difference of 20 degrees only because of the inside is colored white.
So it's a great mobile tool for architects and designers to show the difference in high performance and standard textiles. But it also shows, let's say, the actual impact window coverings have on a healthy indoor place.
Yes, and combined with our energy savings calculations during a specification phase of a project, our clients will know how much they will save in cooling costs and in CO2.
Eva, could you highlight some additional functional tools for architects and other decision makers that enables us to win projects together?
Yes, we offer multiple tools. For instance, we have our Knowledge Center with our team of people helping you with in-depth advice, certifications, calculations and so on. Further on, we have, of course, our BIM library. Every single system and fabric that we have is integrated in there. We will help you with any request you have with our marketing tools. And yes, we are on Architonic, which is an architect platform with all our fabrics on it and which will generate leads for us. And besides that, we also have our portable lab, as I showed you earlier on.
Wow, that's great. Could you highlight some global reference cases?
Yes, with a dedicated network of partners, Coolise contracts service projects all over the world. Let me show you some of our reference cases. For instance, the Geldershuis in the Netherlands, the Marina One building from Netflix and Facebook in Singapore, and the Ericsson building in Sweden.
Eva, thank you for sharing your expertise today with us. I would like to give you a short summary of the topics we discussed today. Beauty and functionality are seamlessly united. It's a total concept of high performance and stylish fabrics, advanced systems, and our groundbreaking automation concept, Motion. Sustainable design is now more important than ever. Suitable offering to every industry, from corporate to hospitality, and from healthcare to education. It's all about providing solutions to help improve visual, thermal, and acoustic comfort. We would love to provide you an optimal mix of marketing concepts to strengthen your business case. Are you interested what we can do for you? Press the button, fill in the contact form, and we will contact you. To be ahead of the latest trends and developments, you can always follow us on social media and subscribe for our newsletters. Be inspired.